I'm not going to talk about it with you here. You can come off the flight with me, or I can clear everybody out, and then I can drag you off the plane.
You clear everybody out.
Okay. You can come off this flight with me, or...
As I asked them, they wanted some food.
Okay.
Jordan, you need a hand down there? You good? I'm good.
Oh, boy.
She's on the plane.
She's on the plane?
Yes. She's not wanting to get off the plane.
Okay.
Yes. She's in
We got some Frontier action. Is that what it was?
fourth. Yeah.
Flight attendants are the ones that called it and stuff?
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go down there. Come on.
On the 9th of March, 2023, body camera footage from a Florida airport documented 2 separate incidents in a single day, both ending in arrest, raising urgent questions about intoxication, mental illness, and police authority. In the first incident, a passenger called Alicia refused to leave a Delta Airlines flight to Boston. Crew reported she had consumed approximately 6 drinks of port wine and was visibly impaired when officers arrived. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902, airlines hold broad federal authority to refuse any passenger who poses a safety risk. Once Delta exercised that right, Alicia's refusal to leave constituted criminal trespass under Florida Statute 810.08. Officers gave multiple warnings and considered calling medical personnel before initiating physical removal, SIC, consistent with de-escalation standards. They evacuated all other passengers first to prevent bystander injury. Alicia was physically removed and placed in a wheelchair. She was charged with disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute 856.021, criminal trespass under 810.08, and resisting arrest without violence under 843.02.
Hi there.
The 1 and 4 on the left-hand side.
4 on the left-hand side?
Yep. And the brown.
The brown? Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, I need you to get up and come with me.
Why?
Because you're not going to be on this flight. So I need you to get up and come with me, okay? Do what?
Give me a reason.
Because you're not allowed on this flight.
Reason.
They're not letting you on this flight. That's my reason. So you're not allowed to be on this flight. Now, come on. So we can do this 2 ways. You can come off this flight with me, or...
As I asked them, they wanted some food.
Okay. I'm not going to talk about it with you here. You can come off the flight with me, or I can clear everybody out, and then I can drag you off the plane.
You clear everybody out.
Okay. So she's obviously not going to come willingly here.
Yep.
So we're probably going to have to remove her off the plane. Do you want to clear out the area, or
We will leave it completely up to you. Where are you more comfortable?
because my worry is that if she starts fly,
Right.
kind of hit somebody else. So if we could just kind of clear
The first 4 rows?
the first 4, and then maybe the couple behind in case you fling something back.
Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
You need to come on it.
Man.
Sorry, where are you guys heading to?
Denver.
No, she's not making it out of Nashville today, it seems like.
Oh, you messed up all day.
Just the first couple rows. Sorry we had to do this to you guys.
So irritating.
Can't buy anything if she starts swinging or something, you know? We understand. I'll see you this time.
She just yelled out, I actually have a f***ing bomb, so no one's going anywhere.
Cool. Alright. Alright, let's go.
And they said, oh, you want to... It's going to explode.
Let's go. We're not gonna joke like that.
It's going to explode. Oh, it's going to explode. It's right there.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you. Can I disconnect this or am I cutting it?
Yeah, I just cut it. Pretty good. That he undid it for her.
Back is still
You want her
out
up?
there. I promise God.
Just keep making it worse. Hey, take this. Hey, Jordan, hold up a sec.
Police confirmed her arrest for trespassing, public intoxication, and resisting arrest. In the same airport, a second woman approached an officer at the bus stop, beginning what would become a far more violent encounter. The second subject immediately accused the officer of being fake police working for drug dealers. She entered the roadway, demanded bystanders call 911 on her behalf, and claimed her child had been killed by a drug dealer. Her statements, paranoid and internally inconsistent, indicated a possible psychiatric crisis. Florida Statute 394.463. The Baker Act permits involuntary psychiatric evaluation when a person poses a threat to others. The officer asked her to return to the sidewalk under the Community Caretaking Authority of Katie v. Dombrowski, 1973. After extended verbal patience, she physically rushed the officer, kicking, scratching, and biting.
This is
You can get her,
dangerous.
I'm gonna grab her legs because she's gonna pull us both off of this. You can get her torso.
I could just walk.
You've already proven you can. Come on.
Oh,
Really? Stop hooking your feet.
How you get?
Here, I'll go.
Let me get on that side and I can help you.
Wow.
Yo.
You want me to act right?
So, to the feet. Now hand her on. Now pick this up. Okay. Jordan, you need a hand down there? You good? I'm good.
seeing her smug face is right.
You got a Honda? Oh, good. Sit down here.
Ow!
Sit down.
I don't think they really care if it hurts.
You got a hobble? I've got one up.
She gonna get out of the cuffs? I don't know.
Should be one in the glove box. Did it? And I'm like, get off. Hey, bam. I'm gonna have to pull her legs back out.
This time what you'll be doing, I do it. Dumbass.
We've already told you what to do multiple times. I'm done playing with you.
Under Graham versus Connor 1989, force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. The subject's erratic behavior, refusal of commands, and initiation of physical contact justified the restraint response. She bit an officer with enough force to require hospital treatment. Under Florida Statute 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony. Causing bodily harm elevates this to a second-degree felony. Florida law also charges resisting a law enforcement officer with violence, under Statute 843.01, a third-degree felony. Maximum penalties reach 5 years and a $5,000 fine, rising sharply when bodily harm is proven.
So I'm gonna ask the officer. She wanna thank you. But she still ain't telling you.
There you go.
Ugh, yeah. Yeah, so we get the first 4 rows undone, but we don't get anybody from behind her.
Yeah.
Flight attendant comes down and is like, yeah, she said nobody's going anywhere. She has a bomb. I'm like, oh, dude. Like, now she coming off the plane. I know she's full of crap, but
She said stupid things, and now we have more work to do. Everybody needs to go back to the gate area.
Oh,
you what? Okay. Were you asking questions?
What you got? My money on schedule.
Do what?
What you got? Money on schedule.
Yeah, we're gonna count your money. All right,
Together.
together.
Or at least
We're gonna count it right up here on the way down to jail. Okay? Do you have anything on you?
what?
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons? Any drugs? Anything like that? Okay.
I need to make sure my mother floors get done.
dispatch go and get a metro number for public intox to start, and then false reporting, and then heaven forbid if it's not a false report, then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm sure.
Incident. 1 officers earn a B+. Multiple warnings, medical consultation, aircraft cleared before removal. Alicia earns a DS, 6 drinks and repeated refusal of a lawful removal order produced fully avoidable criminal charges. Incident. 2 officers earn a B. Patient engagement and correct safety prioritization, with deductions for no Baker Act referral. The second subject receives an F on conduct, but her statements point to mental illness, not criminal intent. Both case outcomes remain unknown at time of analysis. Incident 1 charges are misdemeanor level. Incident 2 is felony level under Florida statutes 784.07 and 843.01. If found incompetent, prosecution is suspended pending psychiatric treatment. Lesson 1. Alcohol impairs legal judgment, not just coordination. A valid ticket does not override airline authority under 49 U.S.C. 44902. Engaging with a removal order costs nothing. Resisting it converts a dispute into a criminal charge. Lesson 2. When a person shows signs of paranoid ideation or psychosis, the Baker Act exists as a legal pathway to care. Not merely punishment, officers and prosecutors have a duty to consider treatment alongside criminal charges. Lesson 3. Escalation was a choice, not an inevitability, in both incidents. Compliance protects rights in the moment. Legal remedies exist for unlawful orders. Physical resistance transforms a civil dispute into a criminal record.